Yeah, it's ready.
Some people like to call me the bird lady. I prefer to be called animal lover. I love it. These are my 3 little cockatoos. And we have plenty more.
Plenty more.
Here's Budgie.
Budgie.
Oh, wait.
He's a green conure.
Oh, they're fighting. Oh, boy.
He's a green conure.
He don't want to come out. Come on, Budge.
He's very nice to people.
Except the people he doesn't like.
Come on, Budgie. Oh, he gets fresh when he doesn't want to do what he wants to do.
He's spoiled.
This is Budgie.
He's a
and
green
all my
conure.
There are all 3 of them, Jess. Okay. Now, let me see. One of my cockatiels is a brat.
He's Big Bird.
Big Bird.
He's the firstborn.
All of them. Now, these are all of my loving feathered friends.
Plus, we have 2 parakeets,
Wow.
otherwise known as budgies.
Well, budgies we're in the process of making budgies. Show them the family of doves.
The doves. They're diamond doves.
All right, let's show them what Budgie could do. Budgie knows how to hang upside down. Budge, show them how you hang upside down. Ready? Oh boy, where's Budgie going?
Go, Budgie.
All right.
He's a master at tricks.
Oh, he hangs with 1 foot.
1 foot. That's a pro.
He likes it. Let me make him swing. Wee, wee.
Oh, he doesn't stand like that.
Oh. Wee. Okay, buddy. Now let's show him how you make duty. Make duty.
Make sure you record the duty.
Make duty.
What?
Did you see the duty? Oh, yes, you're a good bird.
Going more.
All right, did you get the duty? All right. We're going to sign off, and we'll be back tomorrow with some more things that the birds do. Say good night. Good night.
Bye.
All right.